snakes, a diverse and fascinating group of reptiles, exhibit an incredible array of species with distinct characteristics. From the sleek and venomous king cobra to the vibrant and harmless corn snake, the serpent world showcases a spectrum of colors, sizes, and habitats. Some, like the anaconda, are known for their sheer size and constricting abilities, while others, such as the garter snake, are celebrated for their slender elegance. Snakes play crucial roles in ecosystems, controlling pest populations and maintaining ecological balance. Despite their often misunderstood reputation, many snakes are harmless and contribute to the rich tapestry of biodiversity. The adaptation of venom for hunting and defense is a remarkable trait that varies widely among snake species. Exploring the world of snakes unveils a captivating blend of biology, behavior, and survival strategies that underscores their significance in the natural world.